Kuya! I am Marlene, your user for today. Filipinos love eating rice with a variety of viands for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Garlic rice or sinangag is a popular breakfast in the Philippines, which is mostly combined with egg on the side and perfect with meat or fish dishes. I will show you how to cook garlic fried rice while sinangag. Here are the ingredients. Let's start by heating a large wok or a non-stick pan over a medium-high heat. Once hot, add oil. Then add the garlic and cook over medium heat until golden brown. I like my garlic crispy and golden brown. But if you're not really a big fan of crispy garlic, you can add the rice sooner. Add the leftover cooked and cold rice and break apart any large chunk if any. Mix the rice into the oil and garlic and leave to cook for 5 minutes over medium-high heat. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Now turn off the heat. You may enjoy your sinangag with adobo, longanisa, or tocino. You may add also a sunny side up or scrambled egg if you prefer. Cooking fried rice is one good way for Filipinos to avoid food wastage or put a twist to our beloved steamed rice. When we have leftover rice from the previous day, you can expect to see some fried garlic rice for breakfast the next day. Enjoy eating! Yong Chan, you cry!